Hello, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Did you ever think you were gonna need a pair of light up wings? I didn't either, until I found these. These are the most beautiful and majestic lightweight wings I have ever seen. They are gorgeous. If you are in any sort of a play or a musical, some sort of dance recital, you are going to want these. I love the iridescent white. I absolutely love them. These are so beautiful, and I love the fact that they are adult size. We find so many are maybe made for more children, but these are perfect. They swoop whimsically, and I think they're fabulous. They also have a strobe effect in case that's what you're feeling. These are amazing for any creature of any sort that needs to flutter or swoop. Something that could be extra shown, maybe in the dark, would be even cooler. The lightweight aspect and the fact that the part that's attaching them around your neck, it does not scratch, it does not pull. I don't feel like I'm choking. I love that. Now these, who doesn't want to play with these? After your performance of any kind, these are going to be perfect for summer play in the backyard with your kids. I can just see wonderful summer nights, and everyone's going to want to try these on. But that's just my point of view.